Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And now, today's story titled, The Writer's Journey, Maya's Fight for Her Story. Maya had always dreamed of becoming a published author. Ever since she was a child, she had a passion for storytelling, spending countless hours crafting tales that transported readers to different worlds. In 2012, after years of dedication and late nights, she finally completed her first novel. Excited and full of hope, Maya sent her manuscript to numerous publishers, believing that her hard work would soon pay off. However, what followed was a series of disheartening rejections. One by one, the letters came in, each one a blow to her confidence. Publishers told her that her story didn't fit the current market trends, or that it lacked the appeal they were looking for. It was a crushing experience, and Maya began to doubt her talent and the worth of her story. But Maya wasn't one to give up easily. Despite the rejection, she refused to let her dreams slip away. She spent the next year revising her manuscript, attending writing workshops, and seeking feedback from fellow writers. She invested in improving her craft, determined to make her novel the best it could be. In 2014, after much thought, she decided to self-publish her novel. It was a risky move, and she poured all her savings into the project. The response was lukewarm at first, and sales trickled in slowly. But Maya didn't lose heart. She tirelessly promoted her book, hosting virtual readings, connecting with readers on social media, and reaching out to book clubs. Her persistence and unwavering belief in her story began to pay off. As Maya navigated the complexities of self-publishing, she began to connect with a vibrant community of writers and readers who shared her passion. This newfound support ignited a spark within her. She realized that her story was not just her own, but part of a larger tapestry woven with the dreams and struggles of countless others. With each book club discussion and online interaction, she found strength in their shared experiences, and it fueled her creativity. The once solitary journey of an aspiring author transformed into a collective adventure, reminding her that storytelling has the power to unite, inspire, and uplift. By 2016, her novel gained traction, and word of mouth spread about the depth and beauty of her storytelling. Finally, a major publishing house noticed her work and offered her a deal for her next book. Maya's journey had been far from easy, but her persistence had turned what seemed like failure into a hard-won success. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. Maya's story is a powerful reminder that the road to success is often paved with challenges and setbacks. When faced with rejection and doubt, it's easy to feel defeated, but Maya's experience teaches us the incredible power of persistence. She didn't give up when things got tough. Instead, she used every rejection as an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. Life often throws obstacles in our path, and it's during these times that our determination is truly tested. But remember, it's not the failures that define us, it's how we respond to them. When we persist, despite the odds, we open the door to new possibilities and eventually to success. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or rejections. Use them as stepping stones to get closer to your dreams. Keep going, keep pushing, and keep believing in yourself. Your breakthrough could be just around the corner, waiting for you to take that extra step. Trust in the process, and remember that every effort you make brings you closer to achieving your goals. Maya's journey teaches us that the power of community can be a beacon of hope in our darkest moments. When we share our struggles and triumphs with others, we not only lighten our own burdens but also inspire those around us. Each of us has a story that deserves to be heard, and it's through these connections that we discover our strength and resilience. So, reach out, lean on your community, and let their encouragement lift you when you feel weary. Remember, your voice matters, and together, we can create a symphony of stories that resonate far and wide. Keep believing, and let your unique narrative shine brightly. I hope you are inspired by today's story, and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Shalom. You will succeed.